second time.
It wasn't your fault, Bud. They made you do it. Toothless! Come on! What's the matter with you? No. Come on, what are you doing? Knock it off! Stop! Snap out of it!